guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
I greet you now, my people. I greet you now once again. Mama Joy, at daybreak now, I want to talk to you. I want to talk some sense into that your big skull. I want to talk I want to instill some discipline to do that into that your head. Who are you? For crying out loud, who you be? To come to threaten me, say, make I not call. Call who? Who be your, who? What will be that name? Mama Lola, who will take many months to investigate that year of PFM. You remember? Remember I tell you for behind the scene where they find you, they didn't get. You just don't forget your history so fast. We choose to pardon you. Don't say the disaster where you commit. You want to come bring yourself, come out again. Make a come they find you. If make a come for you this time around, he go knock you to one corner. And me, I go knock you too. As soon as you don't show your face, I go, but because of your case, I go begin to saga. Not be to use you build. I not care to build page. Page don't be my business. I not come page, come find money. Now you they hungry. Don't take my video. Mrs. Don't take my video. Now you they hungry. Now you they hungry. You are a bad example to children. You are a very big bad example for that matter. You can post on something to do that your big skull. That your sack for eyes. Without makeup. Who you be? Because we just promote you. Because of Milakim. Say you fine. Don't do makeup. Won't see how you fine rich. Because we just by mistake someone go promote you. It just come out. We promote you. You just say you don't be Odunga. Odunga go kill you. Go buy you. Odunga go buy you. Can't begin to go against. I know they go against Facebook rules. They use some ways. Odunga go knock you for corner. Who you want to show body for? So you don't commit evil. That year when they get you say you be Mama Lola for Spain, you come out not be you. But today don't be you, Mama Lola. Not be you. Because they threaten, make it not call your name. I tell you, I will call your name over and over. Consider, make I throw a caution to the wind. Make I beat you. Just a pin down. So make I leave this dirty fight than women fight. You walk up to tell me, say, they threaten me. Make I not talk. I say no to that patient. But they buy you don't go work. This is when I wake up this morning. I see the factory. You don't see me come back for Facebook say, make they help me. Make they donate for me. You don't see me one day. They promote Mama Julie Dollar house. Wear your own. Wear your own. Wear your own. Now those women they show houses after many years, after donkey years of human trafficking. Those things you they look up to. Now you want to show house. What a shame, sorrows and pain to lack of ideas from these old, unretired, ashamed, unrepentant human traffickers. Now you want to the post house. What if he house? After don't condemn souls, condemn children future. Human traffic the younger ones, not to get future. Now you want to the post house. And now they build house. Well, they never built finish for how many years? Another, what a shame and sorrow. I shame for you. When I say they post Julie Dollar house, wear your own. You go being that the why you don't show us your own. And then you walk out show hiding under one person. Show your own. For crying out loud, show your own. Not before for corner, for they do video, for parlor. What generator they do? Even olden days generator, not even lister. After many years in abroad. Not be lister, and those I better pass my name, but I can't shift the curtain. See, what is it for window? That shows that house was a condemned house. You say you get mad. You get mad. Of course. This sharp man, don't say he be Monica fan, so me I know. But they pretend. They pretend to hate what they love. That's just it. The truth is not something they not talk am. They pretend to hate what they love. They want to be, but they not fit be. They just what to be patient. Hunger go kill you. I go knock your package. I tell you, I go knock am. You go fit beat me? You? Hey, what betide me? If you beat me for mouth, I go beat you. Physically, mentally. Juju, go do your shrine. Continue with your shrine. Who they fear on a yes shrine? Want to bastardize today? What a shame and sorrow upon you people. You go find something. You go find the bastard of me. They tell me something. I cannot call your name. Where all your life was it calling people's name on this cyberspace? Calling this one, message to this, message to that, message to this, but not take my video. You want build page now. Look at you. You show that you are so hungry from day one. Be like say Facebook, that could be CBN. You want build page. You just say I care for what that page build or not build. Who they here not say they pass my message raw, blunt, not caring whether they hit your head for what. Done. I still they break. I'll close by 6. Somebody I tell you say you not rich. You not go feel rich. You not go feel rich. You not go feel rich. I go beat you with fast. I go beat you water. You say because I live at Pika. Now my sister, I know people they beg me and you leave say let make I just chill. But not taking anything away from me. If I want to give her, I'll give her. You want to threaten me? You want to say I call your name? You know I say I call that your stinking idiotic name, rejected, forsaken name. I call that name. So if you to be happy, say I call that name to advise you from your evil ways. Change your evil ways. No to your stupid patient. No to hunger when they beat you. Go walk. If you're hungry, you shut that patient. I go buy 10 tickets for people free. That day I go buy car to people. I go air free to the world. And what I promise you, you go cry this time around. You go cry. Me and you, we go know who gets the IQ pass. You say that your patient don't go fit air. You go see how you go take hit the whole world. Just they give yourself hope. They fool those. I'm giving out this pronouncement that nobody should go to that idiotic patient where they record people without their consent. Now that's why you want to say hammer. You have always been envious of. You hear say Monica Pesho, actually Pesho, you get 6,000 whatever. They prick your soul, they prick your heart. How you could do your own? You busy they call people to record them. You were planning premeditated evil on your part, planning it. Call people, put words for their mouth, and then you walk up there and say you get to talk. That your talk not they valid. It's invalid as far as I'm concerned. That your talk, now you contribute, you get part or parcel of that talk. You hear me? Now what I tell you. So as you say you be Odunga, it go fail you this time around. You not be Odunga. You are a nobody. You be inconsistent, inconsequential, illiterate from my own school of thought. That's what you are. You are a nobody. It not be human trafficking. You go to talk where they talk. It not be you bought Europe do me well. You can't use your pussy to hustle. Can you break the house without break for the culture already? Damn. Come on, come talk in here again. You go see the bastard of me. I go to beat you. I go throw all culture to the wind. Beat you this time around. That first time they commit evil. They do feel like birds. Obaseki, Iranomigo, every minute shouting Iranomigo. But today, Iranomigo is right. He has been proven right. That Obaseki is not going to do any good for those people. Now say Obaseki now be the Messiah. Now the farm will help in a fight. Why you not come and come to fight Obaseki every day? Channel this your stupid energy. What did they find Pesho? Then they fight Obaseki. Your so-called husband, now be chief information officer, minister of information for palace. Now you the get first hand information. So come out, defend the palace. Well, basically they go against. That year you talk say now your information, I they correct pass. Now you they get time. Your own authentic. If I call tell you your stories, your story there for my handle. I don't do any those kind of dirty shenanigans, but if you try me this time around, I will give up to you water. And you go see how that special go. I go overpower you. You go see people go, they beat you from left to right. You fool your stupid old age for nothing because of hunger. That person say you go Nigeria. So you just come from Nigeria, you want they find patio by means. Make patio buy your stupid, dirty, ugly sack of ice face. You say if you just express person gentle, you say that everybody normal. Why they vex all the nonsense that they do? You not even fear. Say make you talk to me polite. You say your head deaf, your head blind. Make blindness kill you, buy you. Make you deaf, make you continue to be stupid as you say stupid. It's what they go today. That's not what I give you. Yeah, enter work. I'll get back to you later. Just come and call down here. Make a unleash on you like this. So tomorrow, may the wrath of God finish all those evil people upon the land. Now they call the shield house. Why wear your own? Julie Dollar house. Now they build house. After they don't keep people. They don't want to promote filling station. All these women, all these women, when not get sense, no get sense by fire by thunder. 2023, numbers get sense. We promote evil things in the land, not imparting better ideas on people's life, not to promote better ideology for community, supporting evil. If person just first naked, person says step leak, will show those without Igbiyaga. I stand with this, I stand with that, I stand with this, I stand with naked Toto. They show the world how now stupid rich. You cannot get anything to offer except negative things. You are too stupid. I will not stop telling you people that you are so stupid. This is a brief one. Show yourself again. God threaten your head. Make the wrath of God hit you. Give you the sucker sponge where you need that most. Dirty the day. They didn't again. Who they call you Mama Joy? They didn't again. That be your name. They didn't Hunda. They didn't Zaka. Now you be. You be the day of Betty one. You support Basaki. Basaki is coming. But today, what he do you now? See head. I go to flog you this time around. My people are greeting now with better style. I got a job to do. 6 o'clock. Now I'll finish work. Enter work in the next 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Make I beat you small. Because we hype you. We give you hype. That hype will just hype you so you be person. You not be person at all. Don't think say you there among people. We just give you small hype. Because say people are there for darkness, don't they come out. That will hype you. On a good day, you don't say to be where you dey bongo. If you stay bongo for 1 year, you go become confirmed a day down. Now you go be. All those layers go melt for your face. Because Europe don't let us know the day again. We call cashew now. Now just shop small good food for here. We call the challenge men of timber, of and caliber. Okra, no in meat. You know no planter. On a good day, who you be? A local champion for that matter. Local, they get local. You be grade 1 locality. Local woman. Very local. Just say the lessons for fear righteousness. Make we still hyper. You can't they dance. If they show face, we say, Laki never come out. At least this one don't still come out. We don't see him. Make we still hyper. You want to talk say Biodunga. He go overpower you this time. You go collect, He go surprise you. That hype will hype you. That will just leave you. You go fall for ground. Gidigba. Who you be? What was your record? You were committing havoc in the dark. We say we could just pardon you. You're going to show yourself, say you be Dunga. Please don't take my video. Don't take it. What's impact your video? They part positive wise to a dose. Tell me. You don't think? What do you get to offer? When you want to do pay show? Because everybody they do pay show. Mumu says he want to do pay show. Mumu want to do pay show. Mumu want to do pay show. God have mercy. How you see our people finish just like this? Maga want to pay show. You are a mistake of creation. A very big one for that matter. Maga want to pay show. What you work out teach us how to record people. Then you work out teach do. You are a shame, a very big shame. I say I go to beat you this time around. I go beat you with fast, with words. I go flush you. See Maga. Monkey will go to America. You know say go be monkey. Take monkey to anywhere, go be monkey. That's what you are. You are a monkey. For you to remember the talk. You are a big monkey. Compound one for that matter. Should not get size. Unda. You know that local activity where you go show for Benin, they move from Joshua to Joshua. Car will not even see whether na pick up you day. Or na trailer they carry you. They shake, they flex. That's why they flex. Go and hide the shame. Seriously, go and hide the shame. You don't tell you so you be maga, you don't say you be compound maga. And now you show Julie Dollar house. Wear your own where you go bongo. Why you not show one? See your head, you want to hide on that person, you get friends. That is what if you talk truth. No, if you talk truth because una take for conspiracy of lies. That one a success house. Now you show. Who you want to intimidate me? You are a failure, a big failure. Who you intimidate with house? If I shower like me get 50 mansion, I shower will not get sense. Remain a shower, except the good ones will repent with good characters, everything. Not supporting evil. You want to intimidate us now? Say Julie Dollar don't build house, but we not talk truth. What is the source of the wealth? How it take come? How many children suffer? How many children alive? Their destiny go for it. What a shame and sorrow. I go to beat you now. I go to beat you now. You don't find the viper's tongue of me. I go beat you now. They respect you now because of just reason. People they beg me say, men they talk to women. I just see chi. I will still chi. You have to raise shoulder. They want your head. Somebody not call your name. Which name you get? The day na Hunda. The day na Zakazaka. The day with a double sack of bag of rice under her eyes. Go and sleep. Go and sleep. You not rich, you not near. Seriously, you not near, you not go fit near. What unto what? Where me and you for be mate? Me and living at my people. This way. We'll come up again. I go to observe. Make us sit down for that chair. Whether they use a cut it, they cover. Make us sit down, come address me. May I come give us more again.